Welcome to the Warehouse Over Comparison Period report, where rather than the whole timeline, this one answers a sharper question. Are we getting better or worse? You pick a measure from the long list here on the left, then a row. We currently have item category and item as default. Then you set a current period and a comparison period by either moving the slider here or using the calendar option just above it. Because our demo data only starts January 2025, I'll adjust that so we have the same length time frame. And the page now shows you on the bar charts the variance between those months and the percentage nicely color coded in the table, showing a lot of green indicating things are doing well. This report is your early warning system. And to help out, we have some preset views already made. With a click, you can see every item where the stock level dropped or spiked by more than 20% between those two periods. You can also see quickly if shipments or receipts have dropped for a particular item. You can review weight and cubage spikes, or if pick demand spiked or dropped in these next two presets. You can easily find newly empty bins and where they're located. And then lastly, on the end, we have some picker data where you can see employees where their output has dropped or where pick load is spiked, because spotting that pick load is up 20% before your picking team is overwhelmed is exactly the kind of thing that saves a bad week. A quick note, 20% is a default figure, but you can change that by clicking on the edge of the visual here, and then over in the filters, clicking the drop down for period over comparison period, and then adjusting it to the metrics that are important to you. Let's just type in 30%. So instead of wondering what's changed, Warehouse Over Comparison Period shows you exactly where performance has improved, declined, and where your attention is needed most. Thanks very much for watching. I hope you found this useful.